Hi guys! I've just released a new single line bundle for the Foil Quill and I thought it would be nice to show you how you can use it. It's packed full of sentiments that you can mix and match to create your own custom designs and make beautiful greeting cards, birthday cards, beautiful foiled gift tags and all creative things you can come up with. So I hope you like it. And let's take a look. So here we are in Canva's workspace. I am using the online version, but if you use the offline version, it's almost the same. I'm sure you can follow. We're going to upload, choose the file. We're choosing the FCM that's already set to draw. And it opens on your canvas. I'm going to select everything and move it a little to the side to create some blank space on the left to make our new sentiment. I'm going to zoom in a little. Just a little more. And we are going to make the sentiment. Let's have a cake party, especially for Diane. Let's see. Let's have a cake party. Going to make this a little bigger so you can see it better. So, group. There we go. Try to make a nice layout, rotate it a little. Yep. I'm going to group this together because that's not going to move each other. These single line elements can sometimes be hard to grab because the lines are so thin. Make this a little smaller. Yeah, that looks right. I'm going to add some sparkles because it's a party, so you can use a little sparkle. There. And the small one, make that a little bigger. Yeah. Going to zoom in a bit so I can see it a little better. Move that just a little bit. Maybe make it a little bit smaller. Let's see. Going to duplicate that and add some sparkle to the top. A small one. Yes, I'm going to make this just a little small. That's better, I think. That looks fun. Now I'm going to group this all together. and zoom out. Our cake party sentiment is ready, and the rest of the set I'm not going to use right now. So I'm going to select it all and hit delete on my keyboard. I'm going to resize this to the size I want to foil. At about 5 inches, I think. And then I'm going to download. And if you have wireless connection, you can also use that, of course, but I'm going to use the download. Let's see where I put it. As you can see, there is the original set. So we're giving this another name so it doesn't overwrite. Don't have to worry that you lose the original. Well, let's say FQ Cake Party. And have a look. Yeah, there it is. Foil Quill Cake Party, and our original set is still there. And that's it. You can now put your FCM file on an USB stick and bring it to your brother's scan and cut machine and foil it and make a nice foiled cake party card. I think this will be very cute. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like it, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye, groetjes!